Welcome to an unboxing of the Craftman. This is a 48 by 78 foot, 34-inch panels. This is a 5-piece panel, guys. We're updating, remodeling a bathtub shower, so we decided to go with this here. This got a 10-year warranty, guys. 10-year warranty is a UV PVC panel. You can cut down with a utility knife or a saw, wherever. And again, 10-year warranty, and it's very easy installation. It's a five-piece panel. It's just pretty much snapped together, waterproof, of course. It comes in different color, so it is very heavy. So it takes about two person to unbox and load it. Original tub was a one-piece acrylic tub. We're trying to get this on and measure it, make sure it fits and everything.
Made out of material stone powder, PVC.
1, 2. Ooh, it's heavy duty panels.
Ten-year warranty.
You lift that up a little bit so I can get in it. Yep. You can see the groove, the channel. Let's open this here. Trying to beat the rain here. And it's got showing you how to lift it out of the panel. You need, again, 2 people. You don't, you might crack it.
Shipping weight 108 pounds.
Don't scratch it. It's been raining non-stop here. Okay, so we got one piece here. Look at that, it came with these Velcros, or adhesive here. Put it right here. We got a tan color, and these are the snap together 2-piece. We'll put them here for now. It goes to get the panel, at least one of the panels in there, so we can look at this. Very nice, guys. I'm gonna just flip this over so you guys can see. Look at that, 10-year warranty. Look at this. Very nice. Okay, but once we get in there, I'll show you guys what it looked like. But very nice.